Here at Hunter, one of our favorite things to do is to show our customers around the facilities. Unfortunately, if you're watching this video, you're not here in person, but hopefully this will work.
Hello and welcome to Hunter Industries. We're happy you can join us for a virtual tour. Since our founding in 1981, we've dedicated ourselves to pushing the boundaries of innovation, technology, and customer service wherever we do business. We're proud to provide premier solutions for residential, commercial, golf, agricultural irrigation applications, as well as the landscape lighting, architectural lighting, and custom manufacturing sectors. Today, you'll get a special behind-the-scenes look at our 20-acre global headquarters in San Marcos, California, as well as our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in nearby Tijuana, Mexico. You'll see where we conceptualize, engineer, deliver, and support a full spectrum of products for diverse customer segments and end users worldwide. Let's get started. At our San Marcos campus, more than a dozen buildings are dedicated to product design, engineering, customer service, technical support, marketing, software development, manufacturing, quality control, and more. When customers visit our campus, we try to understand what they want to learn about, and we often customize the tours accordingly. Today, our tour begins in the marketing building. Here, we constantly develop helpful new resources for our customers, such as product brochures, catalogs, web content, corporate communications, promotional materials, packaging, educational guides, and so much more. On the opposite end of the building is our expansive warehouse and shipping facility, which stores, tracks, organizes, and prepares a huge variety of products worth millions of dollars. From here, we ship to our vast network of distributors around the globe. Next, let's head to Hunter Theater. This large, inviting space provides a comfortable atmosphere for presentations, training sessions, and company events. Down the hall, our Hunter training classrooms provides a space for customers to attend hands-on workshops, learn best practices for product installation, and develop strategies to grow their business. Across the way, our FX Luminaire showroom highlights a variety of outdoor lighting products to inspire creative lighting design in real-world applications. In our technical service department, skilled technicians are on hand to answer questions about setup, maintenance, and troubleshooting for all Hunter irrigation and FX Luminaire lighting products. Our on-site tooling shop is responsible for developing and maintaining the high-precision equipment used throughout our manufacturing operations. Here, our team ensures consistent and efficient repairs while minimizing costs and downtime. Now we'll head over to our extensive manufacturing areas. Several large buildings house our manufacturing and assembly machines, combining automation with manual assembly processes. Here, the latest technology allows some of our most popular products, like MP rotator nozzles and PGP rotors, to go from raw material to finished product in a matter of minutes. Our robust quality control labs push our products to the limit with vigorous long-term reliability and durability tests in harsh, real-world conditions. This battery of extreme tests ensures all Hunter products are the best. The Spray Lab measures range and efficiency water metrics of our sprays and MP rotator nozzles. In the indoor rotor testing room, you'll see rotors, valves, and solenoids subjected to extreme tests. Results are routinely measured and analyzed to ensure product quality and reliability. Our outdoor testing area, adjacent to Hunter Park, is where we determine the effects of weathering on our lighting products. test the durability of our sprays and MP rotator nozzles in sand pits, and measure rotor throw distances in a practical environment. Research and development and engineering are central to every activity on campus. This building houses the original drafting table of our founder, Ed Hunter, as inspiration and a reminder of Hunter's original commitment to innovation. Our team is the best there is, and their building is always brimming with activity and creative thinking. This concludes our tour of the San Marcos facility. Next stop, Hunter, Mexico. Located about 60 miles south of San Marcos in the Mexican state of Baja California Norte is our state-of-the-art Tijuana campus. Here you can see molding, quality control, and assembly of many of our products such as sprays, I-25s, Gulf rotors, valves, and solenoids, as well as the shipping area where finished goods are sent back to San Marcos. In addition to manufacturing, we provide meals, arrange medical support, and organize events for our employees. We manufacture a wide range of irrigation products here, such as rain sensors, check valves, and solenoids, as well as hand-finished FX luminaire lighting fixtures. Beyond irrigation and lighting products, our highly developed capabilities allow us to manufacture products for other businesses. Our facility holds ISO 9001 and AS 9100D aerospace manufacturing certifications, making us a valuable and well-regarded provider of customized solutions for high-tech industries worldwide. Our dedication to product reliability is reflected throughout our rigorous quality control processes. Every valve we build is fully tested before leaving the factory. We also conduct random checks on finished products to ensure that even the slightest imperfections are detected. Just like San Marcos, our Mexico facility has on-site tooling professionals to refine manufacturing processes, provide timely repairs, and perform preventive maintenance. We also conduct other specialized processes in Mexico, such as powder coating and hydro dipping for FX luminaire lighting fixtures. Once again, our uncompromising standards mean that even the slightest imperfections are grounds for rejection. At Hunter, social responsibility is one of our core values. Across our campuses, you'll see sustainable practices in action. We strive to recycle waste materials, regulate carbon emissions, conserve water, and use energy responsibly. Doing so helps us minimize our environmental footprint and protect the communities where we live, work, and play. Each year, we host hundreds of customers, officials, community members, and other visitors for tours of our facilities in person. Although we only touched on some of our capabilities in this virtual tour, we hope you now have a better understanding of our products, processes, facilities, and the high standards we uphold to ensure customer satisfaction. We're proud that our products help bring landscapes and outdoor living spaces to life. When our products reach their final destinations at homes, businesses, schools, parks, roadsides, golf courses, stadiums, hotels, farmland, and government buildings around the globe, you can be sure that everyone here at Hunter Industries did our best during each step of the process to ensure maximum reliability and performance. We hope you enjoyed this presentation, and we appreciate your support. If you'd like to know more about us or our products, visit hunterindustries.com or contact your local sales representative. Thanks for watching.